What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I had the opportunity to watch a few guys' video, and I watched, I forgot her name, that used to work at The Verge. She did a video today on the X5 as well. So after watching a few videos, tried to watch some that weren't basically just paid advertisement for the X5, but it seemed solid. When I watched Becca, I think that's her name, Becca, she basically said it's basically the same thing except for a few features here and there, and a lot of those features are just coming to the app. So I'll be able to still use some of those features on my X2. But here's what I came away with, guys, and this is part of the problem with being abroad. So when you live abroad, because I live in Medellin, Colombia, for those who don't know, and when it comes to electronics, clothes, shoes, anything that a name brand, it's going to cost you usually 35 to 40% more than what you would pay in the States. So in this instance, and even though Insta360 dropped their price on the X4 by $74, almost $75, when I looked at pricing first on Amazon, because Amazon is shipping here, it would come out a little more than 600 bucks for the X4 with the price drop. So I looked at a couple of websites here to see what the pricing would be. It's still over 600 bucks for the X4. So I'm like, damn. So I look at just to see out of curiosity what the X5 is gonna go for. Man, the X5 is almost 800 bucks. There's no way. No way. Now I spend money. I do. I spend a lot. I got a lot of stuff. I'll buy a camera if it's at the right price. But there's no way I'm spending 600. There's definitely no way I'm spending 800 for that 360 camera. I don't really use my 360 camera that much, which is why it still works great with the battery life. And as I look at it, I just don't think I'm gonna get another one. Being honest with you guys, it's just, if I was in the States, keeping it real, if I was in the States, I would have already bought probably the X4. And especially now that it's dropped $75 and it's under 500, I would have went to Best Buy and bought it. But because I'm here, there's just no way, dude. No way. Like when I bought my MacBook Pro and I bought my tablet, I had to buy all those at the same time in order to justify the price that I was being charged had I just bought the MacBook only. So it's like, no, no. Even I have limits on stuff, and there's just no way. I mean, I could buy a nice APS-C lens. Matter of fact, I can buy a G Master for my Sony camera, the 10 to 18 G Master or the 15 millimeter G Master f1.8 for those price for less than 800 bucks. So it's like, yeah, there's no way, guys, no way. So at this point, I'm gonna wait, like someone suggested, to see what DJI does in the comment section, or see if the price drops anymore, or just roll with my 1X2 one more year and see what happens next year with the pricing, man, because there's just no way. I mean, there are so many things I would like to get, and if I was in the States, I would get them. But living here with import taxes and with taxes, not just the import tax, taxes on top of that, it's like, there's no way, no way. You know, I looked at a backpack. I wanted another Peak Design backpack. It damn near cost me double. The backpack's $299. To ship it here is $201. I said, there's no way, no way. So that's one of the things about living abroad. And I post things about living abroad. I think I posted some cologne once I was gonna buy. I think the cologne was listed at like $217, but they wanted almost $600 to ship it here. I'm like, okay, $800 for a $200 bottle of cologne. Now, that's just the world we live in now, right? But with these tariffs, I really expect things to go up. I see that the Pocket 3 has gone up 100 bucks. I see a couple of the drones have gone up 50 to 80 bucks in price on DJI's website. So when the iPhone comes out later this year, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, I really expect it to be $12.99 to $13.99, which means here it's gonna probably be between $1,800 and $2,000 when it comes out. Insane, guys, insane. So this is the reality we're living in now. But this is just a blog, man, talking about whether or not I'm going to get that X4 or that X5. Absolutely not. I'm not getting the X3, or no, the 3, what is it? The Insta360 Go 3S. No, I'm not buying that either, man. All these things here, bro, are just crazy. I'm going to roll with what I got for now. I'm fine with what I have, and I'll still film with the 1X2. But yeah, even I have limits. I have limits, guys. So with that being said, hey, I appreciate everybody watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And until then, I'm out of here.